it's Kerry. Today I have a box of Asian dinosaurs. I'm just going to say their name, what time period they lived, and whether they were carnivores, herbivores, or omnivores. Can you tell me how many Therizinosaurus are in today's video? Is it 4 or 5? Let's move this out the way. We've got a volcano coming in. Subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like dinosaurs. I love to read and reply to all your comments. Stay for the fun ending when the volcano erupts. And here's a view of what I've got set up here. If you want to know more about the volcano, I'll put a link at the end and you can watch how I actually built the volcano. The Oviraptor mother and her babies. If you look closely, there's a little hatchling out of the egg there. This is really nice. This is only new to me. Oviraptor lived in the Cretaceous period and was an omnivore. That is so cute. Another Oviraptor, I think with a stolen egg there. A really nice pose on this one. Therizinosaurus, remember to start counting. Therizinosaurus lived during the Cretaceous period, and it was also a herbivore. Some scientists think maybe an omnivore as well. I'm not sure, but I know I just love those big claws. Another Therizinosaurus. This one always looks like it's in a hurry. I like the ruffled green feathers on the back and the blue feathers on the arm. A very colourful one. Therizinosaurus. There's lots of detail on the tail here, and see the feathers on the arms and of course the long claws. I like this small Therizinosaurus. I love the bright colours. Lots of good detail there. Therizinosaurus. This one has movable arms which are really lots of fun to pose. I quite like this one. The blue and orange one, the first one, also has movable arms. Deinocheirus lived in the Cretaceous period and was a carnivore. I like the colourful face on this one. And see the lovely colour under the neck there. Velociraptor lived in the Cretaceous period and was definitely a carnivore, often hunted in packs. I really like the feathers on this. There's kind of a sheen to them as well. A really nice model. I'm only showing 3 Velociraptors, not my whole Velociraptor collection. A feathered Velociraptor. I really like this model. I like how the arms are up in the air. It's ready for action. Or ready to fight. Another Velociraptor. This is really nice detail. I like the feathers. I like the dots there. It all looks really good. Nice paintwork. So I chose 3 very different Velociraptors. This is Microraptor. It lived in the Cretaceous period and was a carnivore. I love the colours and detail on the back of this. It's really, really nice. Caudipteryx lived in the Cretaceous period and was an omnivore. This is a really lovely paint job. Lots of great detail. Daxiatitan lived in the Cretaceous period and was a herbivore with a lovely long neck. Colours and detail on this. Guanlong lived in the Cretaceous period and was an omnivore. I really like that tuft of feathers on the top of the head there. Notice all the detail on the claws there and the feathers there underneath the arm. Dilophosaurus, another favourite of mine, lived during the Jurassic period and was a carnivore. I'm only showing you 2 today. I like this old one because the neck and the back legs move. Dilophosaurus. I really like the paint job on this, all those little red dots. It looks really good. Yutyrannus was a feathered dinosaur that lived in the Cretaceous period and was a carnivore. I love all the detail on this model. Monolophosaurus lived during the Jurassic period and was a carnivore. I like that big hump there on the nose. Ichthyovenator has been fishing. It lived in the Cretaceous period and was a carnivore. Great colours on this, and I like the way the hump is split in two. Psittacosaurus lived in the Cretaceous period and was a herbivore. Again, I love those long claws, and this is quite a nice paint job. Beipiaosaurus lived in the Cretaceous period and was a carnivore. This is a really good detailed model. A really good face there. Gigantoraptor lived in the Cretaceous period and was an omnivore. This is quite a small model, but still well detailed. Alioramus lived in the Cretaceous period and was a carnivore. Shunosaurus lived during the Jurassic period and was a herbivore. Just a small dinosaur, but again lots of really good detail. Guanlong. This is a very striking paint job. It lived in the Jurassic period and it was a carnivore. I really like the red crest on top of the head. Remember to tell me how many Therizinosaurus in today's video. Is it 4 or 5? This is Dilong. It lived during the Cretaceous period and was a carnivore. Again, really nice detail in the sculpt there. I like the eye, it tends to look like it's moving around. Psittacosaurus lived during the Cretaceous period and was a herbivore. Quite an unusual little beak-like mouth there, and I like that tail. Thank you for watching my video. Please stay right on here at Super Fun Reviews for more great videos. See you again soon. Remember to stay for the volcano erupting. Warning, volcano erupting now. click the colourful Super Fun Reviews button to subscribe, and please share my video on social media, things like Google+, Twitter, Facebook or any other social platform. Thank you so much.